Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In today's video, I will be introducing the Understanding Plants and Animal lesson from the Culture and Science section. This video is made for those that would like to homeschool their children and for those that are new to Montessori. At the end of the lesson, I will be explaining how to make this lesson on your own. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child the difference between plants and animals. Example would be leafy plants, flower, and herbs for plants. For animals, it would be amphibians, insects, reptiles, birds, and mammals. The instructions for the activity are: have the child point to the things that are on the work area that are plants and let them know that they are correct. Next, follow the same step as the previous step for animals. Have the child describe the difference they notice between the plants and animals. Start a discussion about the major difference between the plants and animals, such as where the source of energy comes from, movement, and sensation. Next, talk about the similarities of plants and animals, such as they both respire, reproduce, and grow. Have the child continue on the activity on their own and return it back to the culture and science shelf when they are finished working with it. This activity can easily be prepared by buying miniature animals, houseplants, or using picture plants and animal as an alternative. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.